Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marola Chanel. Seperti biasa, kami akan selalu menampilkan informasi-informasi terbaru dan juga terdahsyat dari para musisi-musisi luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Guys, akhirnya saat yang kita tunggu-tunggu datang juga. Putri kembali membuat musisi-musisi dunia sampai kagum dan histeris hingga mengeluarkan air mata seperti yang terjadi kepada keempat reaktor ini. Mereka sampai histeris dan mengeluarkan air mata tak henti-hentinya sampai video selesai ya guys ya. Nah, penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kelly McKnight, accompanied by Queen Taylor, and the moment we've all been waiting for. Putri Ariani's second performance on the live stage, the AGT Week 3, where we get to vote, and we both have our phones ready. We're going to be voting tonight. I am super excited for this performance. First time on AGT, we did not make a reaction video for it. Sorry.
We didn't know.
We didn't know, and we didn't want to fake the reactions, so...
Ya, sekarang boleh ketawa-ketawa ya. Bentar lagi bakalan mewek semuanya.
Support them all. This is not meant to be a replacement or a substitution for their content or anything like that. Just here for the reaction.
Let's get into keeping the music and positivity flowing.
Let's do it. I can't wait.
Yeah, and let's go.
Let's go.
Get started.
Indonesia,
Oh,
and her
snap.
dream is to go to music school in America. So she came to audition for AGT, and it went about as well as any audition has ever gone, ever. And it ended with Simon Cowell reaching for the golden buzzer.
Beautiful moment.
Simon,
We're there.
what made her stand out for you?
In the moment, so you know, it's just it's hard to describe, but you know, when you know that something amazing is happening, that you just press that. And I think, and I hope I'm not proved wrong, I think this next contestant might be one of the best singers we've ever had on this show.
Amin, amin. Semoga Putri menjadi juara satu nanti ya. Amin.
Ariani.
Diam guys, diam.
Highest mountains I have run through them.
Do you know the song?
I don't think so.
I have climbed highest mountains I have run through them.
Oh.
Only to be.
Oh, yes, I do.
with you.
Yeah.
What is it?
You're asking me the name?
To be with you, but I still haven't found
Wow.
what I'm looking for.
Oh, so good.
Oh, she's already making it her own.
I believe in the kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one.
Oh.
But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carry the cross.
Mulai meneteskan air mata guys.
My shame, oh my shame. Carry the cross and my shame, oh my shame. You know I believe
Her renditions of songs are always so good. I didn't even want to pause at all, but I just have to say that her renditions of songs are a lot. They're better than the originals.
Right,
most time.
she's doing
like,
such a good job at making this Putri's version. Like this is
Yes.
Putri's version, and she's so sparkly. I love
She's
it.
so freaking sparkly. Her dress is amazing.
Wow, memang benar ya Putri. Selalu membawakan cover lebih baik daripada yang aslinya. Mantap.
but I still haven't found
Oh, that kind of got me.
what I'm
I know it got me
looking
too. Oh my god.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still
Chills.
what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking
Mantap, mantap. Oh gila. Mereka berdua sampai meneteskan air mata ya guys. Gokil.
Dude,
what I'm looking
what? That was incredible. Look at Simon.
Yeah,
standing
he's the
up.
first in the stand. I love that.
Thank you.
She looks magnificent. That was so beautiful. Oh my.
Oh man, that was
Putri
crazy.
Ariani!
I'm so freaking proud of her. I know. Look at how beautiful she is.
I'm
She is
actually
like a
kind
little
of
princess.
speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, how
Parah, parah. Sampai berhujan air mata ya guys.
beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because you know they don't clear their songs, because I understand this. A lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition. They knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
Stunning.
That was
I agree.
spectacular. Every
So
note,
beautiful.
the feeling, what you were like, I mean, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think
She looked like she got a little
this was the
emotional.
perfect act.
Heidi.
You
I'll always love
sounded
you,
so
or
beautiful,
so-
and I
no.
thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally.
See, every time we call it angelic.
And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning voice.
Wow.
Howie, Perfection!
Thank you so much.
Putri, what do you want to say to
Oh my
Simon and the
gosh.
rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you.
Wow, amin. Kita dukung Putri sama-sama ya guys.
That was actually really bad. So I wonder, what'd you think? You're still crying.
That was really sweet.
That was really sweet.
What she said. Well, like at first I didn't think I knew the song, and then there was moments where I thought I did.
A light, dude.
I hope we don't get in trouble from YouTube for uploading this, because I have heard that they're
Semua pada menangis ya.
allow their music to be reacted to, and there's a few other bands that we've been told to stay away from, so I hope that we're all good with this. YouTube, we're good, right? Okay, we're good. We're solid. We like your music, okay? I'll buy a CD or two if I need to. Come on. We can...
Wow, mantap. Luar biasa sekali ya guys. Ini penampilan Putri yang selanjutnya di American Got Talent ya untuk semifinalnya. Itu acaranya berlangsung tadi pagi dan sangat membuat para penonton histeris, berteriak-teriak, dan juga termasuk kepada keempat aktor ini. Mereka sampai kagum sekali hingga mengeluarkan air mata saking kagumnya ya guys, sampai saking emosionalnya. Mungkin kali ini penampilan Putri tidak membawakan lagu dia sendiri ya, sepertinya ini lagu cover, tapi itu lagu siapa saya belum tahu. Nanti akan saya ceritahu itu siapa penyanyi aslinya ya guys. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi. Dan terus dukung Putri Ariani hingga sampai ke titik akhir menjadi juara 1 nanti di American Got Talent. Terima kasih.